State Representative Peter Lucido here. I need you to take a look at the bills. I need you to tell me how you feel about these bills that have been dropped. The first bill is real-time insurance reporting. It doesn't cost the taxpayers of the state any money. The agent who sells you your insurance automatically inputs the information, and it goes to all law enforcement throughout the state, the Secretary of State, as well as the company in which the agent is employed under or is working for. That bill's critical because every law enforcement official, as well as the Secretary of State, as well as the company, will know every time, all the time, on time, the real time of whether or not that person has insurance. And you know what that means for us, the taxpayers? That means that we're going to take those that don't have that insurance off the road because it's costing us for those that are uninsured. The second bill deals with taking the plate. If they don't have insurance on their vehicle, they're not allowed to be on the road. They say it's a privilege, not a right, to be on our roads here in the state. It's a privilege. So therefore, when you go to the Secretary of State and you present a certificate of insurance, they give you a 12-month plate. We want to be able to take that plate if that insurance is not kept up, if it's not being paid on. So that's very important also, because when we reduce the amount of drivers on the road that have no insurance, we end up paying less. And you know what? That's good for all of us because we save money. The next one is the fraud authority. Those that are committing a fraud in the state, they shouldn't be making us suffer as a result of paying for their fraud. We should have the fraud authority in place. That bill is sitting there, needs to go through committee, because all of those that are costing all of us more money needs to be punished. They need to be told they're not allowed to do this anymore because it's hurting all of us and our family. The last one is transparency. We all have a cost associated with these claims. We need to understand those claims, how they're assessed, how they're going ahead and making those connections between how much we're being charged in premium and how much the claim is actually being paid. Let's make transparency out there so that we have an educated understanding of what it is the insurance company does and how they assess a claim. Please take a look at these bills. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy, or my office, to answer them. More importantly, tell me what you think. It's important for me to understand what it is you feel about these bills. And lastly, if you like the bills and you're in favor of them, please support these bills. Car insurance is too much, and we need to take a direct aim at reducing our cost and saving our families more money.